Okay, for the Windjammer for lunch, there's a big pie there. Today is the last day, so it's a little bit of a different variety. There's all your pastas, carbonara, beef stew with mushrooms, potatoes, pork, some more mushrooms and lasagna, ribs, chicken, some cheeses and salami. And on this side there is more fruit and desserts and lemonade and iced tea. And then there's a taco bar back here with hamburgers and hot dogs. As always, hamburgers and hot dogs every day, and French fries, and usually pizza, then your breads, rolls, cheesy garlic bread. It's a lot more meat today, beef brisket and lamb and then pork. Kind of the same thing as breakfast, that there's just about 4 different stations set up. This one's got some bread, BLT sandwiches, ice cream, crepes, and then the station has the same stuff that was on the opposite side.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.